Yes, I'm ready, but I'm still seeing. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Jackson. My name is Lana. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're getting donuts. That's Jackson. He's a straight vibe right now. We're at Happy Donuts. It's in Puyallup, Washington, and we're gonna go check it out. They have the best donuts that I've had by far. Doesn't mean that they are the best, but in Seattle, but so far they might. You want to go see? Yes. All right, we're gonna go see.
Guess what song I was playing?
What?
21 Savage and Drake.
The best.
You got a pull, baby. Pull.
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 There you go.
There you go, darling. There you go.
Well, they have it glazed. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Right here. Look. It's this one.
Is that
Yeah.
Can I sit this in here behind you? Thank you, sir.
Minus. Go minus. Wow. Came into Fred Meyer to get some almond milk, but you know Jackson's gonna get his way with some toys. Let's see what we find.
Do you need hand sanitizer, babe?
I just put some on this. Okay. I do. Alright, toy number 1. This spoiled little child. If I can even freaking open this. What the heck? Ooh, it's a mystery. It's a mystery dinosaur. Ooh, it's a. Please don't focus on me.
Look, get the other one. Get the other one.
You gotta find it.
Oh, it's down there. Get it.
Please. Oh my god. Let's see if I can. Alright, mystery dinosaur number
2.
2. These are so fun. Why didn't I have these when I was little? We just had what's in a wonder ball. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, the first one was easy. There we go. What is this? Oh my god, Jackson, what is that?
I like that one.
What is that? I don't think we have that one.
I want it. I have it.
Is it focused?
Wait,
Focus! Oh, it's so bright. Wow. Ooh. It won't focus. I'll just show it a little bit. Yeah, it's got big feet. What is that thing? Oh my god.
red eyes.
Red eyes. That thing is a Tarbosaurus.
It looks like a T-Rex.
No, it's a Tarbosaurus.
No, it looks like a T-Rex. And it looks like the...
And a Brachiosaurus. Those are cool. I feel like they come out with new dinosaurs all the
I
time.
think they have the Rex here. But there's no dog
Alright.
Rex. What I have that toy thing.
What toy thing?
The map of it to show the dinosaurs.
Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
Do you have it?
Yes, sir.
This dinosaur looks like the T-Rex with big feet.
Yeah, so it comes with a dino map.
Okay, I want to see it.
There we go.
Can you give me it?
Yes, sir. There you go. Calling
So I
Bryson.
got the top one.
Kind of warm.
I got the top one. And they got the green one. I got the green one. So I got both of these ones. I like that one. And the Brachiosaurus. I don't have the Brachiosaurus, but this dinosaur is terribly my favorite. The one I got on him.
Terribly your favorite.
Yeah.
You're bro, don't tell me your finger was just in your nose.
It was.
Ew.
I put it in my nose.
Ew. All right. About to try. That's really bright. Wow. This toasted graham Starbucks coffee. Sounds yummy. We'll report back with a full review. Here goes nothing. Bruh. Come on. How do you work this thing? Just kidding, guys. Please ignore everything I just said. I obviously was terribly wrong. Here we go. Focus. We put that on frickin' the highest number because I need caffeine. Jackson, what in the heck? Yes. 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 It's coffee time. My sweater should be dry now. Going to change. Hi. What are we gonna do? Play with our Hot Wheels and our dinosaurs, and tonight we're making my famous banana pudding and we're making steak fingers. Oh, actually they're raptor claws. We're making raptor claws for dinner.
Raptor claws?
Yeah, you excited to make raptor claws for dinner?
It's a chicken nuggets?
It's steak, it's beef. You've had them at school.
What is beef?
Like hamburger?
No. Oh, yes.
But it's raptor. We're making raptor claws.
Oh, like on Raptor claws?
Yeah, you want that for dinner? And potatoes and gravy and green beans, and we're doing all the things. And it's gonna be so delicious. And my famous banana pudding. Can link the recipe if you'd like. Won't regret. It's ready. Does it smell good? Yes, it does. Now what? Now what are we gonna do? Did you finish your donuts? Don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run. Grandpa's sleeping. Did you finish your donuts? Okay. He's gonna go finish his donuts. And not sure what we're gonna do. Hey Jax,
What is it?
are you gonna help me put together the banana pudding in a minute? Yes? Alright. And the ingredientes include, how do you say include in Spanish? Milk, leche, bananas, platano, the off-brand vanilla wafers, Cool Whip, instant pudding vanilla, and Eagle brand condensed milk. Do not get fat free. No. Makes it worse. We need full fat, full sugar, full amazingness. Right, Jax?
Yes.
yummy? Good. I'm very happy.
I might have tinkled just a little bit. Just saying.